I am glad to welcome everyone to my channel. I am developing a program for managing smart devices 1C, smart home on the 1C platform. I believe that it will become a decent and budgetary alternative to all existing smart homes on the market. The main purpose, turning on and turning off devices operating from a 220V network, light, TV, kettle, fan, microwave, etc. We already have a working prototype. Main pros. All devices work via direct Wi-Fi, no need for ZigBee or other intermediate bridges or devices. Works without the internet, but a Wi-Fi router is needed to connect to devices. No data goes anywhere. To the left, data confidentiality is guaranteed, there is no internet. Connecting an almost unlimited number of devices depends on many factors, but the main one is a router. Scheduled operation of devices scheduler. You can control devices in an apartment, in a country house, in a village, at a poultry farm, warehouse, office, etc., and yourself, where there is no internet or is not needed. Major cons. The need for a separate computer to run the program. Perhaps, for some, the cost of devices $6–10 will seem expensive. Independent, by hand, manufacturing/installation of sockets, switches, etc. Manual addition of devices to the program. What we need to build a smart home. We need son-of smart devices. The devices are not expensive for the price. And the most important is the DIY mode, do it yourself. In other words, I can use and manage these devices as I please. And no vendors, including son-of, are not a decree to me. Unfortunately, while the choice of such devices is not great, there are only three. Son-of Basic R3 Smart Switch, Son-of Mini and Mini R2 Smart Switch, Smart Dimmer Switch Son-of D1. But let's hope there will be more of them. Difficulties with installing and purchasing. Since there are many options for obtaining a distribution kit and installing it on a computer on the internet, you can use my program. I am ready to provide everyone. If there is a need for instructions for 1C, smart home, I'm ready to write for you. Some instructions are already on my website. The link is in the description of the video. You also need a computer. Like any program, my development needs a computer to work. Almost any, including a laptop, running on Windows will do. The minimum RAM size is 2 GB. Well, you definitely need a router, since son-of devices work via direct Wi-Fi. Any router will do. The only requirement is to support operation at a frequency of 2.4 GHz. The scheme of interaction between smart devices and 1C programs. Details can be found on my website. Putting it all together and getting a smart home. And now, about the cost. Son-of devices cost from $6 to $11 on the well-known Chinese site. You can buy in the official store, bought it myself. You can buy in Russia and they cost about the same. 1C. I do not offer a purchase. There is a free option, the educational version. Although it has a cut-down functionality, is enough to meet our needs. Router any, cost from 1000 rubles. Computer. Can be used from old stocks. You can buy used one. I don't even know how much to estimate. Now let's go over the operation of the devices. The new version of the program has added the main device control panel, a desktop that allows you to quickly manage devices. You can also group devices by room and control the group at once. In comparison with the previous version of the program, one more dimmer device has been added. With it, you can adjust the brightness of the light. You can use an ordinary incandescent lamp, as they say, cheap and cheerful. I want to show you how to control this Sonoff mini device not only from the program, but also in conjunction with conventional light switches. You can take a keyboard to break, on, or off. You can take a contact, such as caller button, with a return spring, to close the contact. This is how the keyboard works together with the program. And this is how the call works in conjunction with the program. You can use it as it is convenient. There are plans to rework the voice control of smart home devices, which was presented in the video published earlier. And also the addition of a scheduler functionality with which you can schedule devices to turn on or turn off. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. Subscribe to my channel. Share this video. Like it. Go to my site, there will be something to read about. To be continued. All good. See you.